My name is Mark Steeg. I'm branch manager of the Total Logistics office in the Netherlands, located in Roermond. I'm also project director and have been involved in numerous projects in both warehousing and distribution. Timberland chose to do the project because they were in a facility in Enschede and the facility was running out of capacity. Next to that also they used a sorter that was already over 10 years old and needed replacement, so they were looking for new technology or replacement of the existing technology of that site. The main reasons why Timberland chose Total Logistics for this assignment was the extensive fashion experience that we have, but also the experience we have in automation and especially also implementation of these kind of complex projects. So Total Logistics was involved in this project to find the best supplier for the conveyor system. It was a fast-track tender program, and that led to the selection of a very professional partner for Timberland and also secured the operational and investment budgets. Total Logistics was involved in the selection of the horizontal transport system for this project and also in operational support and further on implementation support to support and complement the Timberland team. The distribution center of Timberland in Almelo is around 45,000 square meters and comprises of a manual carton storage, but also a keywear picking system and a conveyor system for transporting the cartons throughout the warehouse. So to go more in detail about the solution of the site in Almelo, we have boom conveyors for unloading and sorting of loose loaded containers. We have a deck-tracked carton storage with a capacity of over 400,000 cartons, acting as a buffer before picking and using narrow aisle trucks for the put away and the retrieval. They also have a keywear goods demand system. There are 5 replenishment stations where an operator picks items and puts them in so-called pods, which are racks, where the operator can put the merchandise in. And orange bots, little robots, are moving merchandise around and to the 13 picking stations. At the picking station, an operator can pick 10 orders simultaneously, and the laser indicates where he has to pick the merchandise from the pod, and with put to light where to put the goods into the dispatch car. There are 135 bots moving products around and around 2,100 pods. The in and output of the keywear goods demand system is supported by a conveyor system delivered by Van der Lande Industries, and pick cartons are either directly moved to the fluid lanes for directly loading into the trucks, or transported to a pallet consolidation area, or transported to a mezzanine floor where Timberland has installed 32 value-added service stations. The WMS that Timberland uses is PKMS from Manhattan, and both keywear and Van der Lande are connected with their WCS systems to this WMS. The main benefits that Timberland received from this project was an increased flexibility, increased throughput and service towards their customers, but also a very scalable solution. It was a real joy working with Timberland. It was a very competent project team, and we complemented their team with the Total Logistics team.
I would definitely recommend Total Logistics. They're a knowledgeable, experienced, organised and professional company, and they're easy to get along with and work with.
I guess I would say the key benefit that I found with Total Logistics is we have a company that truly does understand the complexities of distribution and logistics in the footwear and apparel sector. And the knowledge that Total Logistics had coming in, rather than having to learn that from us, was really a benefit that allowed us to move the project on time and on cost ultimately.